So if we read this question, the present age of Aradhana and Adrika is in the ratio of 3:4. The present age of Aradhana and Adrika is in the ratio of 3:4. 5 years back, the ratio of their ages was 2:3. 5 years back, the ratio of the ages was 2:3. What is the present age of Aradhana? Okay. So what I will do, I am going with the solution. So presently, Aradhana and Adrika, the ratio of their ages are 3:4. Okay, first sentence I have written in terms of equation. 5 years back means Aradhana minus 5 and Adrika minus 5. Okay, 5 years back. Ratio of their ages was 2/3. Okay. Present age of Aradhana means AR value we have to find. So what I will do, from the first equation, I can write wherever AA is there, I can write it as 4/3 AR. From the first equation, wherever AA is there, I can write in terms of AR, which is 4/3 AR. Okay. So now this is my first equation and this is the modified equation. So I am giving 1A. This is the second equation. I am going to use 1A in 2. Okay, I am going to use equation 1A in 2. Now what will happen to 2? AR minus 5 divided by AA, I will write it as 4/3 AR minus 5 and this is equal to 2/3. Simplify this. One equation, one unknown variable, you simplify this, we will come up with the answer. Okay. So if I cross multiply, what will happen? 3 times AR minus 5 equal to 2 times 4/3 AR minus 5. Okay. If we further simplify, 3 times AR minus 15 equal to 8/3 AR minus 10. Okay. Bring all AR to the one side. So 3 times AR minus 8/3 times AR equal to plus 15 minus 10. All the constants to other side. 9 minus 8 is 1/3 AR equal to 5. So AR value is 15 years. Okay, our answer is second option. I am going to the next problem. If the total ages of Iqbal and Shikar is 12 years more than the total age of Shikar and Charu. Okay. Total ages of Iqbal and Shikar is 12 years more than the total age of Shikar and Charu. Charu is how many years younger than Iqbal? Okay. So now what we will do? Iqbal, I will take I. Okay. I plus Shikar. Total age equal to 12 years more than the total age of Shikar plus Charu. Okay, Charu. So Iqbal plus Shikar total age equal to 12 years more than total age of Shikar plus Charu. Okay. This I will make it as equation 1. So what is the next thing we have to do? Charu is how many years younger than Iqbal? The total ages of Iqbal and Shikar is 12 years more than the total age of Shikar and Charu. Okay. I will try to do this. S will get cancelled now. So what they are asking, Charu is how many years younger than Iqbal? Okay. So I minus C, if I calculate, it is 12. Okay. So Charu is 12 years younger than Iqbal. This equation says Charu is 12 years younger than Iqbal. None of the above. Okay. Cannot be determined. That is not the case. None of the above. 12 is my answer. Okay. It is very easy. We have to put our pen on paper. Initially I thought there are no other information given how I am going to solve with one equation. But if you think of Charu is, S is getting cancelled, that is our advantage in this. And Charu is how many years younger than Iqbal means Charu is lesser value and Iqbal is higher value. So I minus C, the difference they are asking, it is coming as 12. I am going to the next problem. A father is twice as old as his daughter. Okay, father age is twice older than the daughter's age. Okay, If 20 years ago, 20 years ago means father minus 20 and daughter minus 20. Okay, father minus 20, daughter minus 20. 20 years ago, age of father was 10 times the age of the daughter. Okay, this is age of father 20 years ago. It was 10 times the age of daughter 20 years ago. Okay, this is equation 1 from first sentence, equation 2 from second sentence. What is the present age of father? Okay, two equations, two unknown variable, two equations, two unknown variable. So this is f minus 20 equal to 10t minus 200. 10d minus 200. Okay, and here what they are asking, father age they are asking, so replace daughter as f by 2. Okay, from first equation what we can do, daughter is nothing but f by 2, daughter is nothing but f by 2. So f minus 20 equal to 10 into f by 2 minus 200. Okay, father minus 20 equal to 5 times f minus 200. So here it is 4f. Okay, 200 minus 20 is 180. So f is nothing but it is divisible by 4. 4 times 16, 5 times 45. Okay, present age is f and d. Present age of father and daughter is f and d. So our answer is 45 years. Father age is 45 years. Okay. I will go to the next problem.